Basically, IFT is an exposition where we meet with all these food science professionals and students, and there are a bunch of competitions within IFT, and we are the developing country solutions for developing countries. This prompt is sustainability and circular economy, so we are developing a product integrating circular economy. I also want to work in the food industry, and I thought this was a great experience. We are developing a product for a developing country or a developing region. We decided to go with West Africa, Burkina Faso specifically, and because our project is about circular economy, currently Burkina Faso is implementing a tomato processing plant. So they are growing their own tomatoes and processing their own tomatoes. In that sense, we thought there would be a lot of byproducts from that tomato processing plant. So we decided to take those byproducts, especially tomato pomace, and combine it with their traditional fufu to have a more nutritional product. Obviously, the goal is to make sure that the consumers are going to be able to consume this. We don't want this to be a foreign product to them. It has to be accessible, it has to be cheap, and I think our product actually checks all the marks. Fufu, like I said, is a pretty basic product, and when you add tomato pomace into this, it definitely adds to its contributions. So we just get the product from the tomato processing plant. We make sure that it is safe for use. It's pretty sustainable in that sense. The most important part of our project and product is that it is very cheap and it is very accessible. So we believe that anyone can access this. It's just a better option. I have been meeting with a lot of professors. We are allowed to use this setup and this lab, so yeah, they have been very, very helpful. I wanted to be a food engineer, and to be honest, doing this project sort of made me realize that I was actually on the right path. Food safety engineering, food processing engineering, and yeah, I enjoyed those classes, and I'm definitely using the knowledge that I got from them in this project. For now, we are focusing on the finals. I am very excited to go to Chicago to the finals. I'm going to meet with a lot of industry professionals, with other students. I feel like because we have 2.5 months, I have time to get nervous, but I will be probably, but it's fine. I didn't know how McGill was actually very, very successful in this project because as far as I know, all 3 McGill teams actually are now eligible for the final, so I'm happy to be part of it.